Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna and I make New York City based adventure videos spiked with love and positivity. Today, we are doing a video review of Rhodania Boutique Hotel in Geneva, Switzerland. So if you're interested in staying at this hotel and want to know more about the location, what you can find around the hotel, and about the rooms themselves, then please keep watching. Rhodania Boutique Hotel is well located in a safe and convenient area of Geneva, just a 10-minute walk from Old Town. Right under the hotel is a bakery. This is the main door to the hotel, located on the side street. To the left is the pharmacy and to the right is the bakery. Exiting from the hotel and making a right takes you to Manor Supermarket on the ground floor and a department store on the other levels. Walking in through the main door, you'll see a small elevator and stairs. The hotel is located on multiple floors. As you exit the elevator, you can either make a left or a right to find your room. There is a small seating area in front of the rooms with a table containing brochures and information about visiting Geneva. The rooms themselves are soundproof and you can't hear anything happening in the other rooms, but any noise from this hallway area can be heard. This hotel has no reception, but you can communicate with staff members through WhatsApp. Messages were answered very quickly. There are access codes for the front door, the doors on each floor, and finally your room door, so the hotel is safe and secure. Security cameras are located in all common areas. One very important thing to keep in mind with the access codes is that the codes emailed to you are the correct ones. I suggest taking a screenshot of that confirmation email, keeping it on your phone, or writing down the codes on a piece of paper. So here is the room at Rhodania. We have a double bed in the middle of the room, 2 nightstands on either side of the bed. There's a closet over here where you can stow away your things, a flat screen TV, and in the room we have the table with the sink and the mirror. The bathroom is here to my right, and it's very small. It's basically just a glass encased room with a sliding door. And on the left, you have the shower, and over here on the right is the toilet. So if you're sharing this room with another person, if someone is in the shower, the other person can't be on the toilet. And as the other reviews have said, any sort of sound that happens in the bathroom will be heard in the room. So if you're traveling here with someone else, make sure that you know them very well. Also, there is ventilation right on top of the shower and it works really well. You don't hear it, but any steam from the shower will not come into the room. Now I'll talk a little bit about the temperature in the room. So we're here in Geneva and the temperature is not getting past 75 degrees Fahrenheit, but it gets hot in this room at night. And so there is a little fan provided for you, and you can turn that on at night and help circulate the room air a little bit in here. And so that ventilation will help make the room temperature feel better. Our room has a view towards the side street, not the main street. And you can open the window and let in a fresh breeze as well. But there is no air conditioning in here. So just keep that in mind in case you're traveling here during a really hot period. You'll notice that there is no fridge in the room and no kitchen area, but on each floor there is a kitchenette located in a common space. Underneath here there is a mini fridge, and in the space you'll also find a coffee machine, a large sink, a kettle, and tea bags. There are also more brochures up here and books. When you stay at any approved accommodation in Geneva, including hotels and hostels, you receive a complimentary Geneva transport card for the entire duration of your stay. This allows you to take buses, trams, and the yellow public shuttle boats on the lake for free. A few days before your arrival, your hotel will email you a link to register and download the digital pass to your smartphone. If you don't receive it in advance, it can be issued at check-in. If you'd like to follow along on my Switzerland series as we visit Geneva and 3 other cities in Switzerland, please subscribe to the channel. A full video about Geneva and all it has to offer is already available. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my videos when they go live on Thursday evenings. In the meantime, let's keep in touch on Instagram at Miss Anna Adventures. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in next week's video. Take care. Bye.